Hello, we are doing another hike. We are doing the Rocky Knob this morning. It's very foggy and it's raining, so it's my first rain hike.
We should be able to see out over there.
Yeah, bummer that we can't. We should be able to have a nice view out there. I kind of remember this spot.
Yeah.
I definitely do, because this is my second Rocky Knob hike. What's the 4 for?
I don't know if those are like some sort of tenth of mile markers or something. I'm not sure. Slow GPS signal.
Yeah, I kind of remember that. I guess we're not going to be able to see the view.
Look, see the popcorn?
The popcorn ceiling source is prevalent, so we won't have to worry about any sourcing of that. Plenty of that be able to come up and get. If you watched our other Rocky Knob hike, you know what I'm talking about. Popcorn ceiling. Yeah, a little disappointed that we can't see any view right now. Hopefully oh, that's cool. Hopefully the fog will burn off. Be able to see something here before the end of the hike. This is going to be a long hike, so long for me, short for Patty. Not short, but medium, I guess, for Patty. We were remarking that quite a few leaves had fallen already, and it is only the first week in September, or the second week. What is it, September 9th or something, 2020? So, signing off for right now. Be back with some more interesting things, hopefully, from this hike. So it's pretty grown up in here, more so than when we were here the last time. We're getting wet feet and legs in here. It feels like we're in the rainforest. Very, very damp. Look who I found.
We found a log.
What'd we find?
What do you think, Scout? A perching log.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool. I gotta get a picture of that. Ooh. Do that again. So there's this.
The ghost leaf.
Yeah, check it out.
Or the leaf ghost, I don't know.
Just
Levitating.
hanging out. Just hanging out in the air. I thought we were on Dead Woman's Hollow Trail for a while, but we're not. We're on the Rocky Knob Trail. And yeah, just a leaf just hanging in the air. Just a hanging there. Just swinging around. That's cool.
Very cool.
So I just looked at my My Fitbit got over 10,000 steps in, so that's good. I met the challenge, the Fitbit challenge of my friend.
Woohoo!
Whoop. And I'm just so, bless you.
Thank you.
It's Corona, right?
It's Corona. It's Corona.
Uh-oh. I know you've been tested and got it and all that.
Social distance, woman.
I'm staying back. I got my mask on too.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is challenging. It's been raining. Both of us are soaked. I had a water bottle leakage and my pants are soaked, let alone the rain. But hey, it's a hike. It's fun. That's what hiking's about. Adventure and fun. And it's getting a little brighter, so that's good. I think we're on another, not quite so high of an incline. So yeah.